Well, well, well. Sam? Sam!
Here I am. You don't have to shout. What happened?
Confess. Was it you who ate all my crackers?
Sue, you know that I don't like cheese. I didn't touch your crackers. Oops.
What does this oops mean, Sammy?
I mean, it's only a guess that I probably didn't close Tater Tots' cage when I was playing with her.
Sam! Tater Tots is missing!
Oh, holy cannoli, what shall we do? And what if she's hungry?
Oh, look at all these crumbs. She's defo not hungry. Oh, I have an idea. We'll make a rat trap.
A safe one? She won't get hurt?
Sure, how could you think that I would hurt Tater Tots?
Then let's get started right now.
Hi guys, today Sammy really messed up.
But it wasn't on purpose, it was just an unlucky coincidence. Hi everyone.
In fact, Sammy forgot to close Tater Tots' cage and she ran away.
But we'll make a rat trap now and bring her back, right, Sue?
Sure, that's why we're making it. By the way, guys, be careful while working with hot glue. Better ask an adult to help you.
Sue, and what's this?
Oh, thanks for bringing it. These will be the walls of our trap.
Sue, don't you think that something's missing, huh?
Sure, Sam. We'll have bars here. Please bring the barbecue skewers.
I'm on it.
Huh. You know what, guys? This reminds me of the other trap we made with Sam. If you haven't seen that video, then you should watch it for sure.
Sue, there were no skewers. Here, I brought what I found.
No worries, this will come in handy too. And the skewers are on the shelf right there. I put them there after our last craft.
Right, I'll bring them now.
Well, well, what did Sam bring here? That's exactly what we need. It's good that I didn't throw it away last time. We don't have to cut or drill anything. Carefully.
Here, that's how many skewers I found.
Aha! Great job. And now cut one skewer into 2 small pieces.
Will do.
Awesome, Sammy. Let's attach them right now. We'll insert the skewer here, huh? Sam, look how it's moving.
Sue, I guess that Tater Tots doesn't like swings that much to bring her here right away.
Sammy, you're funny. It's just part of the closing mechanism for our trap.
Oh, sure it is. I thought so, but I was just testing ya.
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, let's not get distracted. We need to finish the swings for Tater Tots.
Sue, don't start it. Here, bend the wire instead.
It's so good to have you here. I was just thinking what I needed to bend it. There you go.
That's why I'm here. Otherwise, you'd forget what you wanted to do.
Guys, I hope you understand that I do it on purpose. Sam is so sweet when he's acting big or grouchy.
What? That's not funny at all. And how is Tater Tots doing there? I'm very worried about her.
It'll be all right, Sammy. That's why we need to finish the trap real quick, so we can bring her home as soon as possible.
By the way, guys, if you're worried about missing the new video, you can hit the bell button.
This way you'll always know what's going on our channel.
Exactly. And if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then you should definitely do it. Oh, can I bend the wire now?
Of course.
Like this. And why is Sue such a slowpoke?
Hey, mister, I'm still here.
Sue, when will we finish the walls? I already brought the skewers, but what'll we do with them?
You'll see now. Cool idea, isn't it?
Let's see. Awesome, but kinda slow. Can we speed it up?
I'm trying my best to do it super quick.
Then let the fastest slime in the world take care of it.
Wow, what speed! I didn't even see you.
I moved almost with the speed of light. Of course you couldn't see me.
It's weird, but when it comes to cleaning, you're slower than a snail.
I just put all my energy into our crafts. And when it comes to cleaning, I'm totally worn out.
Sam! Sam! Where did he go again? It's always the same. Sam gets in trouble and I'm the one who has to fix it.
Phew! I decided to run around the house. I hope that Tater Tot started missing us and returned.
Calm down, Sam. Most probably she's busy with her rat stuff or… I don't know. Ooh, maybe she found herself a boyfriend.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. Maybe we shouldn't look for her. And she comes back on her own. See, what do you think?
Maybe you're right. But I think it's not safe for a rat to be out of her cage for too long.
Okay, I agree with you. Can I help ya?
Let me think. I can't come up with something right now, right away.
Oh, Sue, sometimes you remind me of a snail, just as slow.
Oh, but I still manage to do everything on time. And I don't forget to close the cages of my pets.
Oh, Sue, I will surely apologize to Tater Tots for it. Let's hurry up and finish the trap.
But we almost made it. We just need to… Oops!
Oops? What is this oops? What happened?
Sammy, I forgot to make the door.
How could you? All right, I'll do it now. So the fastest slime saved the world again.
From what kind of disaster, Sammy?
From cheese apocalypse. You think that Tater Tots will be satisfied with your crackers? Oh no, you don't know her. She would eat all the cheese in town and then in the whole world.
Sam, stop it or I will burst out laughing.
A good mood helps your work.
Thanks, Sam. Fighting spirit means a lot.
We should speed up and finish the trap.
I'm doing my best.
So, and what is it you're gluing now?
Well, Tater Tots is very strong, so we need additional stiffening ribs. And to get ahead of your question, what is it?
Oh, Sue, give me some credit.
Sammy, calm down. Breathe deeply and slowly.
That's it. I've had enough. I'll go brew some chamomile tea. Sue, the trap came out very gray and unpresentable. If I was a rat, I'd never go inside.
You're right. We should fix it right away.
That's more like it. Looks great.
Awesome! I love it! So, should we test it?
Sure, but how?
Well, with this eraser, for example.
But an eraser is no big deal. We have to be sure that our trap can catch Tater Tots because she's very fast.
Then maybe the fastest slime in the world should test the trap.
Challenge accepted. Your speed. You're the winner. You're the fastest slime in the world. You're Sam.
Sammy, are you okay?
Ouch, I accelerated too much and couldn't stop.
Sam, let's stop our test. I think that Tater Tots is slower than you anyways.
Okay, let's trust your instincts. Sue, she's here.
Psst, don't scare her off.
Right, so come on, Tater Tots, come here. You're almost there.
Awesome!
Gotcha!
Sorry, Tater Tots.
Hooray, we did it!
Yep. Hi, Tater Tots.
Are you hungry? It's okay, we'll bring you home now. You can have lots of food and sleep there.
Sam, I didn't eat anything today. Shall we have a snack too?
Oh, Sue, sorry that it turned out like that with your crackers. Sure, let's go eat, but first we should return Tater Tots to our home.
Of course. Let's say bye to our viewers. Bye, guys. If you liked our video, then give a thumbs up and tell your friends about it.
And also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Bye-bye!